Okay, in this video, let's go ahead and take a look at one of the basic deformers called Lattice. So for example, let's go ahead and create a few boxes, and I'm just going to simply press Control D maybe a few times and just give myself a couple of boxes here. And I'm going to turn on my wireframe here, and I'm going to grab these guys here, and let's just go ahead and scale them in a little bit. So we have something like this, all right? And next I'm going to go ahead and combine these into one shape. That's fine, all right? So let's go ahead and see how this deformer works. So deformer, it's under deform, and I'm going to click on Lattice, and let's go to options. So if I reset this, this is my default state, right? So for example, if you wanted to create something really cartoony and stylized, keep in mind you can make it you can make it nice and straight as you're modeling it and texturing it, but once you're done and you're ready to export it out into like a game engine, and you want to make it maybe stylistic or a little more interesting than just a straight shape, this comes to handy. So for example, just for the sake of this exercise, if I say apply, you can see that some lines showed up, and in the outliner you can see that there's a couple new icons have been created. So now if I close this and right click on my shape and go to Lattice Point, you can see that these points were created. So now if I select these and just simply scale them in, you can see how quickly I can create some really interesting shapes from something super boring and plain. So I think that's really cool, and you can of course scale them, you can move them, and make sure you take advantage of Lattice when you are modeling. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. When you're done, just make sure to simply select your shape and clear your history. As soon as you clear it, you can see that the outliner is now clean, and you are once again ready for some additional modeling. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.